Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to view two documents side by side in Word. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. Let's say we need to position two documents side by side for comparison. Open the first document and then the second one. Okay, and now we go to the View tab, and in the Windows section we click View side by side. If you have only two documents open, then these two documents will stand side by side and split the screen. But if you have three or more Word documents open, then a window will appear in which we need to select which documents to place side by side. As you can see, the two documents split the screen, and by default in this mode the two documents scroll synchronously. Up or down, both documents scroll at the same time. If necessary, we can disable this feature. Click Window and then Synchronous Scrolling. Now these two documents scroll separately from each other. To disable the side-by-side view, click the corresponding button in the Windows section again, and that's it. Now nothing more.